Hall International Lutheran Church.
For Jesus, exactly. Very good. Great job. Jesus, we await Jesus coming. And so, do you remember what the candles are all about?
Amen. Fitting positions.
Welcome to St. Paul's. We've been coming for about 4 years now. We really enjoy the Bible-centric worship, and we love it because there's so many families here with children. Sunday school is great, and we like to worship through song and music as well. So please come. Welcome.
St. Paul is a great place for families. I mean, kids really love it. They love the children's time during the service, and they love Sunday school. So especially for families, if you have kids, you're going to love it. So please come and check us out.
That's right.
All right.
Yeah.